Good morning students, welcome you all for online classes. Today we will discuss computers in a network. So what do you mean by network? A computer network is a group of computers, means more than two computers linked to each other. One computer to another computer, right? Linked to each other through how? Through communication channel. It may be wire or it may be wireless. That what we can call communication channel, and it enables the computer to communicate with another computer. After communicating, it has the capacity to share their resources, data and applications. So what kind of resources data and applications? Suppose I want to share this picture to another computer. Okay, this is my resources. I am sharing this to another person, or another person accessing this picture through network. That what we can call network. So network is a collection of computers linked to each other through communication channel that enables the computer can communicate with another computer and share resources like images, data and their applications. Now here I am sharing to another person, right? Suppose data is means one text file is also I am sharing, or another person he may going to access these files. So it is called what? Network. Okay, now try to understand client server model. This person I can name as a client and another person I can name as a server. So first we'll see what you mean by client. Okay, so this person needs to ask a time to another person. Okay, what is the time now? This is client side. Okay, then after asking a time, this person will going to enable. So it is time is now 5 o'clock, right? So this is what? Server. Now try to understand. Client initiates a connection. Initiates a connection and makes a request to whom? To the server. For example, it's a one scenario. What is the time now? I am sending a request to another person. Another person is means a server. Okay, makes a request to server, that called client. Then server job is server responses the client's request. We can call as server. Okay, so client is already asked a question regarding time, so server is responding. So time is now 5 o'clock, right? So this is what? Server. Server always responds the client's request, and client makes a request to whom? To the server. Server responds to that requests. This is about client and server. It is a model in which computers as a servers provide the network services. Here this one is a computer, this is another computer, this is another computer. It acts as a server, means its job is to responding the client's request, okay, to perform a user based task. For example, I'll give one example. Gmail, you have already have Gmail account, right? So how this Gmail will work? You are accessing Gmail, so you are become client, and this Gmail is nothing but a server, okay. So you are creating account, and after creating account you are eligible to access Gmail account, right? So in this way it is based on what? Client server response, okay. Now client is a program that runs on the local machine. Local machine means computer requesting service from the server, and client program is a finite program, means that this service started by the user and terminates when the service is completed. So client is a piece of program that runs on the local machine requesting a service from the server, and server job is what? Server is also a program that runs on the remote machine, means another location, providing a services to the clients, means responding client's request. Client is requesting to the server, server responding to that request. When the client requests for a service, then the server opens the door for incoming requests, but it never initiates the service. Initiating is done by client, but server is not going to initiate, right? So this is what you mean by client and what you mean by server. Now, uses of computer network. With the help of network, it allows us to share resources such as printers and scanners. See, printer and scanner is connecting to network, and you are using a mobile phone. Through this phone you can take a printout, or you can take a soft copy from your document, right? How it is possible? Based on network. And you can share expensive software and database. So expensive software and database means, take example of your WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a kind of software, right? You are going to install that app in your mobile, and you are authenticating, means through registering your mobile you are able to use that software, right? So how it is possible? With the help of network, right? So you can share expensive software and also database among network users. And another one, it facilitates communications from one computer to another computer, right? You can share information from one computer to another computer, right? It is also possible. And it allows exchange of data and information among users through network. So from one system to another person we can easily access, right? For example, in my laptop I have two operating systems. One is Ubuntu, another one is Windows operating system. Okay, with the help of network I can able to log in, or I can able to access another computer. See here, in Windows operating system I am accessing Ubuntu, so I am displaying this desktop files. See, these all are files I am accessing in Windows operating system with the help of network, right? How it is possible? It is based on network. Right? Okay, next, types of networks. There are three types. Okay, not only three types, another types of networks are available, that is PAN. Okay, so main important types is these: LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN is what? Local area network. Local area network. Then MAN means metropolitan area network. Then WAN means wide area network. Here this name local means local, or inside a building we can use this kind of network, we can call LAN. Metropolitan means area wise, entire city it will going to cover the network. That is wide area network means entire the world, that is wide area network.